this video, we're gonna check out Pacific Surfliner from LA to Ventura.
And finally, enjoy your morning until our passengers have disembarked. Thank you.
So I'm on board right now here at Pacific Surfliner. This only goes for a day trip, so there are no roomettes. It goes from SLO to San Diego or San Diego to SLO depending on your trip. Let's take a tour of this place. In the meantime, for like 3 months now, but it's okay, they still have some snacks available. And don't forget, it's cashless system here, of course. This train is so cool because it goes along the coastline of the Pacific. You'll see South California's best. I'm coming from LA and going to Ventura right now, Surf City, so check out the views.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh.
Hi, just arrived here in Ventura. Instead of an hour-and-a-half drive, it only took me 2 hours to get here, and I'm not tired at all. So, highly recommend it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
Before I sleep,